guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna see a makeup look that you can wear for the festive season. Even if you are the most laziest person, you can still rock this look. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first step to any makeup look has to be a good moisturized base. So for that I'm going to be using the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. You cannot afford to do a makeup without having a good base. Always, once you apply the moisturizer, make sure to leave your skin like that for at least 5 to 10 minutes and then move on to your makeup process. Don't just go like straight away with all of the products. That's gonna end up even more worse than you can think. I'm just gonna apply some lip balm. This is the Wadi lip balm, which is in the orange variant. So since this is gonna be a festive kind of look, and even it's a very lazy person's routine, I'm not gonna apply any primer or anything, but make sure you have like a good moisturized base, or if you have a makeup setting spray, that's even more good. Just take your spray and just spritz it all across your face. Okay, so our base is all nice and moisturized. Now we're gonna move on to the first step of the makeup. Now the first step for me has to be a good orange correction. But if you don't have any kind of pigmentation or dark spots or any kind of those kind of issues, then you can just skip straight away to the foundation. You don't have to do this step. I mean, if you have naturally flawless skin, then you don't have to do it. But if you do have these pigmentation like around your mouth, around your eye area, then please ensure that you do orange correction. I'm going to be using this NY Bay orange corrector. I've blended the orange corrector just with my fingers. Now I'm going to take a brush and then blend the excess out. So once the orange corrector is nice and blended out, now we're going to move on to the foundation step. For foundation, I'm taking the classic Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. This is in the shade 330 Toffee. Once the foundation is nice and laid on, we're going to move on to the next step, which is not concealer, because it's going to be really hard to apply all the foundation, concealer, everything. So I'm going to skip the concealer part and we're going to straightly move to the powder portion. So For powder, I'm going to be using the Yardley powder. I don't have a loose powder, so I'm using this. You can also use this, like any baby powder will also work good, like the Himalaya baby powder or Johnson's baby powder. Anything will be really good. If you don't have a loose powder, you can use this as one. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of baking today. You can avoid it if you're from the dry skin type, but if you have oily skin, please make sure to do this step, because or else your oil will gonna start secrete from all the places. So it's really important, especially in your T-zone. Since I'm not going to be doing any contouring today, I'm just going to create like a fake contour by just applying the powder excessively under the place where where I usually place the contour. So let the powder be like that. Now we'll move on to our eyes, and then finally we'll just dust off all the powder. Okay, so first let's do the eyebrows. Now for my eyes, I'm not going to be doing any eyeshadow. So I'm very sure that not all of us have the time. So I'm just going to take my lipstick and use that as an eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using this Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Divine Wine all across my lids. If you don't like eyeshadow or any color on your lids, you can totally skip this step. You don't have to apply any sort of lipstick on your eyelids. Now once you have some sort of color on your eyelids, now you can move on to your any favorite step, like you can just apply a kajal or an eyeliner or a mascara, but you can also apply all the three. I'm going to be using only a mascara and a kajal today. Both are from the Faces Canada brand. Both are from the Magnetize range. I'm going to be applying some mascara from the Faces Canada range. Now that my eye makeup is done, we're gonna move on to the base again. I'm just gonna be applying a little bit of blush. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Rose. It also has a little bit of shimmer in it, so it acts perfectly well as an highlighter as well. Now it's time to dust off this powder. So now moving on to all of our favorite part, which is the lips. So I'm first gonna just outline my lips using this color, the NYB Runway line in the shade Backstage Look number 1, 2. So to fill this in, I'm gonna be using the Bella Voste Ultimate Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sweet Clay. So yes, you guys, with that we come to the end of this video. And also, if you're someone who is interested in gaming or gaming related tips and tricks, then make sure to check out my brother's channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below, so you can go ahead and subscribe and share the channel to others as well.